Good evening students. In the previous video I have discussed what do you mean by scalar quantity, vector quantity. Apart from that, what is rest, what is motion, and rest and motion are not specified. It is depends on the, or it is variable basically. It depends on the frame of reference. Already this part has been discussed. Okay. Today I am going to discuss about what is distance, displacement, then velocity and speed. Apart from that, uniform velocity, uniform speed, then acceleration, retardation, all these things. Okay. So let us begin. First thing is that what you mean by distance. Distance is the basically the length between your final to initial position. Okay. Now, what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance from final position to the initial position. If you please listen my video carefully, that for the distance I have said that from final to initial, or you may say that the distance covered or the path covered from final to initial or initial to final. Okay. Here direction is not mandate at all. But for the displacement part, for the displacement you have to mention that the path covered by a moving body from initial to final only. That is basically the shortest distance or shortest path covered by a body. Okay. So, for the distance, or if I say what is the definition of the distance, so you can say that distance is the path covered by a moving body from final to initial position. This is one. Second, what is displacement? For the displacement, the path covered by a moving body from initial to final, or the shortest distance. Please mention this word shortest. The shortest distance covered by a moving body from the initial to final point. That is called the displacement. Okay. So, if pictorially I will show you, suppose this is A point, this is B point. So, this is your initial position, this is your final position. So, from A to B there is a only one shortest path, that is from A to B. You can go to A to B like this, like this, like this, all these things, all this way you can go from A to B, right. So, all these path basically are called the distance, and the shortest path is called the displacement. Okay. So, for distance and displacement, this is the first difference. The shortest path between initial to final, that is the displacement, and the path covered by a moving body is called the distance. Okay. So, this is the first definition or first difference. What will be the next? For the next, distance is a scalar quantity, whereas displacement is the vector quantity. Okay. Next difference, third difference, distance cannot be 0, but the displacement can be 0. So, how displacement can be 0? Suppose for a body, it is moving in a circular path. Suppose this is the point A. From this point A, our body starts to move and it again ends at the A point. So, what will be the distance covered by this body P? So, the covering distance is 2 pi r. What is r? R is basically the radius of the circle, right? But what will be the displacement? Displacement is 0. Why 0? Because the whatever the initial position for this particle P, it is same as the final. So, therefore, whatever if the initial and final position of a body is same, then the displacement of that body is 0. Okay. So, what is the SI and CGS unit of distance and displacement? That is, SI unit is meter and CGS unit is centimeter. Hopefully it is clear to all. Now coming to the next topic, that is speed and velocity. Up to this class you will all know that whatever the speed, that is same as velocity. But now it is the time where you distinguish these two physical quantity. One is speed, another is velocity. Speed is defined as it is distance by time, whereas velocity is defined as displacement by time. So what is the formal definition of speed? Speed is defined as the rate of change in distance per unit time. Okay. What is velocity? Velocity is the displacement per unit time. Okay. So this is the basic difference between speed and velocity. This is the first difference, that is speed is distance by time, distance covered by a body per unit time. What is this? Velocity? Velocity is the displacement covered by a moving body per unit time. Now, what is the second difference? The second difference is that as distance is the scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity, so therefore for speed is basically a scalar quantity and velocity is basically the vector quantity. Okay, so this is the second difference. What is the third difference? The third difference is that speed cannot be zero, but the velocity of a body can be zero. Why? Because distance cannot be zero, but we all know that displacement can be zero. So therefore, if displacement is zero, so therefore velocity is also zero. So that's why this is the third difference between velocity and speed. That is, speed cannot be zero, but displacement can velocity can be zero. Okay. So this is the three differences of speed and velocity. There are another one difference of speed and velocity. So first, before saying that difference, I want to say that what do you mean by the uniform speed and non-uniform speed, next uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity. Suppose this is a path. Car is moving. A car is moving, right? So, suppose through this path, first 1 meter, this car first 1 meter has covered in 1 second. Next 1 meter covered in another 1 second. Next 1 meter has covered in another 1 second. Last 1 meter also covered in 1 second. Okay. So, I am discussing first, that is uniform speed. So, what will be the definition of uniform speed? If a moving body is covering same distance in same interval of time, that is for first 1 meter 1 second, for the next 1 meter 1 second, make it, if it is 2, then all these timing will be 2. Same length is covering in the same interval of time, then the speed of the car is called the, or speed of that object is called the uniform speed. Okay. Now what is non-uniform? If a body covers same distance in different interval of time. So suppose for the first 1 meter it is 2 seconds. For the next, let us consider as 3. For the next, let us consider as 1 second. For the next 1 meter, let us consider as 5 seconds. So if a body is moving or body is covering uniform distance or same distance in different interval of time, then the speed is called the non-uniform speed. Hopefully it is clear to all what is uniform speed and what is non-uniform. Now coming to the uniform velocity. For uniform velocity, the definition is same as the uniform speed. Concept is same as the uniform speed. The basic difference is that for uniform speed, I have said that if a body is moving or body is covering same distance in same interval of time, then that speed is known as uniform speed. For uniform velocity, the definition is like that: if the body is moving the same or covering the same distance in same interval of time in the same direction. As velocity is the vector quantity, so direction word is mandatory for the definition of the uniform velocity. Now what will be the non-uniform velocity? Same thing as like the uniform speed. So non-uniform speed, the thing is that if the distance is different for same interval of time, or here another constraint is added, that is if the direction is changing, then it is also known as non-uniform velocity. So now what will be the another one difference between uniform speed speed and velocity? That is, for uniform if a body is moving in uniform speed, it cannot move in uniform velocity. But for the uniform velocity part, if a body is moving in uniform velocity, then it must be in uniform speed. So there are basic 4 differences between speed and velocity. Hopefully it is clear to all. So today I am ending this video. In the next video I will continue with the acceleration part. Thank you.